Hello friends, peace be upon you. Friends, we are always looking for the best. And we should also be looking for the best of the best. As this one software has passed my eyes. Thought to share this software with you. So that you can know about this software. And you can benefit from this software. So let's start the video. As you can see, this software is Polarr Photo Editor Pro. In this you will get options on the left side. The first is the filters option. Other text or shapes if desired to be added to the up image. We will talk about the third option, retouch. After selecting the retouch, double-click on the image. So the software has detected the face. Now we select the skin option here. It has automatically adjusted the sliders. Click on Reset here. So the values of all the sliders will be 0. Skin, face or eyes will be 0. But if you click on Auto, so all values will be adjusted as the smoothing value becomes 33. Tone value 22. Similarly, all values will be adjusted here. But if you want to reset it and adjust it to your liking, and want to smooth the skin, it will, as you can see, on -100, and you will see the difference on +100 too. If we set the value of smoothing to 51, then this image before and after, you will see the difference. If we change the value of smoothing to 100, now see the difference between before then after. That means the skin is smooth. Similarly, you can adjust its tone or shadows. Can adjust highlights as well. Hue or saturation can also be adjusted. After that, you can increase or decrease the width of the face. Double-clicking will reset the slider to 0. Can adjust chin height up. The forehead can also be adjusted up. After that, you can increase or decrease the size of the eyes. If you want to give sparkle in the eyes, you can also give it. And can set eye contrast. It will only affect the eyes. And the clarity of the eyes as I do 100 here. And now we look at the before and then the after. Next is the nose, and adjust the width of the nose. And the height of the nose can also be adjusted. After the nose is the mouth. If you want to give a smile, you can give it. After that, you can adjust the height of the mouth. The width of the mouth can be adjusted. And here you can adjust the brightness of the lips. And then there are the teeth. We will whiten the teeth here. Now we see the before and after image. Once again, before and after. And from here you will click on this tick mark. All those adjustments will be applied to the image. Then there is the remove spot, which can be used to remove spots on the face. Can heal or clone. Then there is liquefy, which you know very well what it does. Then there are the filters. If you want to apply a filter, for example, this filter can adjust its amount up from here. Whoever suits the filter up can apply it on the up image, and can adjust its value up from here. Want to apply up text or shapes? There are dividers and there are presets. It has various presets you can choose from. You can crop the image, or overlays here. It has flares here. If you want to add flare to the up image, it will be added. After adding, adjust it wherever you want in the up image. So these flares can be added and adjusted to the image. Next is the sky, and there are different shapes of the sky that can be added. Then there are the different types of clouds that can be added. You can add the weather here. And then there are the backdrops that can be added to the up image. Next are the gradients and the dew tone. And then there are 6 types of dust and scratches. They can also be added here. And now you will see this image before and this image after. So it was an adjustment for a human face or human image. On the right side are more adjustments. We will open another image here to see them. And on this image we will try these adjustments. So this is a scenery. Now we will look at the options on the right side. At first you will get adjustments. It also has color or light. All values are 0. The good thing about the software is that click on Auto Enhance. This will cause the software to analyze the image. After analyzing all the colors in the image, it will color grade all of them. So the values of the sliders will be adjusted automatically. But you can also adjust it yourself. For example, I want to add more vibrance to the image, or want to further saturate the image. The values that are auto-adjusted in light are almost correct. With the help of clarity and details, you can make the image more clear. And along with that we sharpen the image a bit. You can then adjust the amount to the right or left in the vignette. And double-click on the slider to reset it. After that he has HSL. In this case I adjust the cyan values by increasing or decreasing them. And then you can adjust its luminance values up or down. And then there's the curves. It has white, red, green and blue colors. Suppose I click on the blue color here. So now you can adjust the blue color from here, and as you wish. For this image I adjust the curves here. Then there is the toning. It can adjust up shadows or highlights manually. After that, start changing the shape of the photo. That is, the perspective can change. And if they want to apply a color border, they can do that too. Then up reflect or pixelate in effects. And after that it has LUTs. You must check this software once. And then there's rendering. Then there are the selective adjustments. These adjustments are manual. Click on color. This is a kind of mask. You can increase or decrease the brightness of a specific area. So this spot is what we can adjust to a specific area. So now only the brightness of that area will be affected. So with the help of selective adjustments, you can adjust the brightness or color of any specific area of the image. For example, you can adjust the brightness of this green area up, or you can give more clarity to this area. Similarly, it has the brush, radial, gradient and luminance. That is, by choosing any area in the image at will, you can apply the effects you want on this area. And after that you can see all the editing history from here. That is, what you have edited, and after that you can also undo it all. That is the most interesting thing in this software. That is, after retouching the image. At first, I am going to auto-enhance it. And then you save the image. Here you have 3 formats: JPEG, PNG, TIFF. So I select the best quality in JPEG format. And I want to resize this image. Here the width of the image is 6000. So instead of 6000, here I do 9000. That is, I want to increase the size of the image. Now I click on Save Copy. Rename the image and make a copy and save it. Saving image. This software will save your image. Now see if this is the original image and this after. So let's zoom the original image 100%. So we have zoomed the image by 100%. After that we resized the image and enlarged it. We did 9000 instead of 6000. So you can see that the quality of the image has not been affected. So you can see that this is the original image and this is after. So this image after and this image before. This software is good. Try it. After using this software you will definitely like it. And the most fun thing about this software is free. All you have to do is download it. You don't need to pay or buy for this software. This software is completely free. I hope you like this video. And you will love this software too. So if you like this video then like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.